I was thinking it was don't go chasing waterfalls, but it was different.
Sing that this time. Today's episode.
Yeah, don't go chasing water. Cut. Hey guys, Dean here, Big Dog Builds. Today we're going to run through Jace's brand new Ram 1500 Rebel from AusMV Brisbane. This is an awesome brand new Ram 1500. It's built to go up the beach, so a lot of Stradbroke Island, Moreton Island. We all know how many awesome places there are to get on the sand around southeast Queensland. For the suspension in this Ram, we've gone with the Fox 2.5 DSC kit. This is a 3-inch lift in the front, 2-inch lift in the rear. We've also gone with the HD King springs and the Airbag Man coil helpers. On top of this, we've now gone with the ARB twin compressor mounted under the seat and paired that up with the Airbag Man dual pressure monitoring system, so the wireless monitoring as well as the wireless air pressure control kit as well. So this gives you the ability to adjust your suspension when you put a trailer on the back, so you give a little bit of air in the rear for the boat or the van or whatever else you're towing. For the wheel and tyre combo, guys, we've gone for a black Rhino in a really nice US burnt bronze sort of finish. We've paired this up with a Toyo 35, 12.5, 18 mud terrain tyre. I was very surprised driving this vehicle today of how quiet those Toyo muds are on the road. With the 18-inch wheels on these Rams, you really have to watch the fitment because of the size of the brakes. So they're huge on the Rams, so we've gone to balance beads for these tyres instead of actually weights. There's not enough room there to put a wheel weight on, so we've thrown in about, I think it was 140 grams of wheel weights, and there was no vibration on the road at all at 100 kilometers an hour. Really, really happy. Guys, for the roof rack, we've gone for a Rhino backbone setup with the Pioneer platform, and we've paired this up with the Stedi Worklights, both left, right, and rear. The front of the roof rack, we've gone for a 51-inch Lazerlamp linear Elite. This is an amazing looking light. We've made up some custom stainless steel brackets to sit it nicely above the roof. On the left and the right, we've gone for the amber lights. On the back, we've gone for the white. This is all programmed through a Switchpros SP9100 switching unit, which we've also done the slave screen in the tub. Guys, running a Switchpros in these American trucks is amazing. The benefits you get for giving it power, earth, high beam trigger and ignition trigger. You can go in and set whatever load you want to whatever setting you want. So you want your front LED lights to come on with the high beam trigger. You've got your work lights left, right and rear. We've also done tub lights in the back, 2 LED strip lights which can go orange and white as well. And then we've gone the compressor trigger and also the dual battery setup. So he's got a simple auxiliary battery, little lithium in a battery box. That can run his fridge, and then when he takes that battery box out, simply hit a switch and it'll run off the main battery. So having the Switchpros, we've done the slave screen in the back, the main screen in the front. This both talks to each other, then you can jump on your phone and control it all Bluetooth as well. Jace is opting for a load lid to go on the back of his tub, but for now we've thrown in a Dometic 95 litre fridge on a Dometic fridge slide. This is suited to the model, keeps the height nice and low, and we've then controlled the fridge through the same Switchpro. We've done a neat little power panel in the side with the Switchpro. We've got an Anderson plug in there for a fridge or similar sort of amp rated accessories, and then your dual USBs to charge up your phone while you're there as well. So this is all fully waterproof in the back. The Switchpros are fully waterproof. The other plugs we've ensured are waterproof, and once you put the load lid on top, it's going to keep the water out even more. A few other accessories that we've added to this build is the Bushwhacker Stedi 180. So Aussie made awning here in the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. This is amazing quality with cool little tie down straps that you can mount on different accessories, usually little eye bolts on the roof rack. You do have the added option of folding down the two legs there, so when it gets a little bit windy you can fold down these legs to ensure that it stays on the vehicle. We've gone also for the Amp Research DT Ram 1500 electric side steps, as well as the Amp Research rear bed step. So it just makes getting up into the tub a little bit easier. Guys, if this 1500 package is something that you're looking for, we've got build slots this year still. Let us know what vehicle you have coming, what model it is, who's converted it here in Australia, and we'd love to help build it.
Watch those arms.
Arms, yeah. And the legs. Ooh. He's talking today, Al. Stop saying Al. For the suspension in this, for Jace's car, said Jace too many times, Al. Shout out to Jace.
Jace.